Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my December Ipsy bag. But first, I do have an announcement. I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram right now. If you guys want to enter, please go to my Instagram. I will post the picture right here of the giveaway. It's actually, yeah, it's the post. It tells you how to enter. You do have to be following me on Instagram, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. You only have to be subscribed if you want an extra entry, but you know, you're already here. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe already, you know. But yeah, the giveaway started on the 23rd. It ends on the 4th of January 2019. I'm gonna pick the winner on the 5th and on the 6th. If the person lives here in Phoenix like me, I will personally deliver it to you. But if you're not, I will ship it out. But on the 6th, if the winner delivers, I'm going to personally deliver it to them. So yeah, so if you guys want to enter, please go to my Instagram. There's 3 ways. There's 3 chances of you getting an entry, so you can enter like 3 times. So please check that out, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna unbag my Ipsy bag. This month, it is such a pretty cute bag. It's so sparkly. I love sparkly things, so I think that's why I love this one. And the inside, I like the inside. It's pink. That is so cute. So this month I did get 6 items. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with brushes. I did get 2 brushes. I got a Luxie 243 precision blending brush, which is kind of has a little tip, which I actually appreciate. I really like getting brushes on Ipsy because they're full size. You can't get like sample size brushes, so I really love getting brushes on Ipsy. And then the next brush I got is from Farrah. Yeah, I think that's how you say it, Farrah. And it's this brush right here. And this is their 35E. And I actually like this. I like how it's pointy. And it actually feels really, really, really nice. And it's a gold, which I really like. And you can probably use this one to blend out your eyeshadow. Whatever you want it to do, to use it for. I'm probably going to use it to blend out my eyeshadow. But this is a really pretty brush as well. And then the next thing, I got a highlighter from Nomad. They're Around the World Light Infusion Powder in the shade. I'm not sure the shade. I have to open it up, but that's what the packaging looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open it out. I guess the shade is Light Infusion. But this is a little packaging, really, really cute. It's like a little compact, but it has no mirror. But this is cute. It's like purple holographic shade. Super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and that is really, really cute. Can you guys see the holographic of it? I probably won't use this as a highlighter just because of my skin tone, but I will definitely use it as an eyeshadow. So pretty cool, pretty cool. The next thing is a nude eyeshadow by the Balm Cosmetics. Yeah, that's all it says. And this is the packaging right here. Really, really cute. I love all the packaging from the Balm. It's just so, so pretty. And this is in the shade Bootylicious. I think that's what it's supposed to be. Life's a Beach. So cute. So it is a shimmery shade. I've gotten a couple of shimmery shades from them, and I actually like the formula of them. It's really, really pretty. This is on the thing it kind of looks kind of burgundy, but it's actually a brown shimmery shade, which I do not hate. And then I clean my finger right because I still have the highlighter on the bottom. Okay, there we go. So this is a really, really pretty eyeshadow. The next thing is from Ciate London, and this is one of their glitter flip, mini glitter flip in the shade Infamous. I think this is one of those. Wait, let me swatch this. I need to read about this. This is a swatch right there. Oh, I didn't show it to you guys. Sorry. This is what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to read up on it a little bit because I'm not sure what it is. I thought it was matte, but I tapped on it and it looks kind of glittery now. I think I know what this is, but oh damn, that's glittery as fuck. Ciate London Glitter Flip Transforming Glitter Liquid Lipstick in Infamous. There's more than meets the eye with this transforming lip color. It goes on a pretty metallic matte, but transforms into a glisten glittery finish in just 2 minutes. Sparkles can be uncomfy to wear, but this stuff is so comfy you won't even know you're wearing it. The sparkling berry shade is so festive, so fun, and so gorge on all skin tones. It's good for you and earth too. This shimmery stuff is formulated with environmental friendly mica glitter and 100% vegan ingredients. Wow. So I'm going to put it on my hand and I'm going to wait 2 minutes for it to see if it actually turns into glitter. So I'll put it on a clean spot on my hand. So while that's drying, I'm going to talk about the last product. So the last product is a clay mask. This one is from Generation Clay. It's their ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. This is made with Davidson plum, and it nourishes, brightens, radiance, and defines your skin. Oh, upside down, right here. It's actually pretty cool. I like getting clay masks too. Doesn't smell like anything, but that's the clay mask right there. Pretty cool. Okay. So it hasn't been 2 minutes yet, but it's getting glittery. You guys can see. That's pretty cool. I'm actually going to use it in the next tutorial so you guys can see how it works. I'm actually pretty excited. I might use it tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Wow. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. That is what I got for my Ipsy bag. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.